Hello, my name is Kalana Lee, and today we are going to do a short tutorial on creating a simple building in the Divinity Engine 2. So, for our buildings, we're going to go on our root templates. As you see all the stuff listed, just right click on the one that looks like a little brick symbol, brick wall. Scroll down, we're going to do a wooden house right here. Drag, click and drag. As you can see, it's going to show off at this small bit. Just place it on there, and this engine is a lot different. Reason for why creating this tutorial is because how creating buildings is very different from what I'm used to, or what I normally would see. Because you are used to, what I'm used to is like place down a block and then stretching it out and having to do all the design stuff on it. This one already has set looks for the wall and everything. It's just that when creating the walls, you go over here under mode on the left taskbar right here. Very bottom says edit wall. Click on the wall you want to edit. Click and hold and you drag it out. And it just creates all the walls for you. So this is something I'm not used to, or I've never seen. So I like how you can create your own walls and everything, but of course sometimes it'll generate a wall for you because it is random. Sometimes this could be a flat wall or a curved one like this one. So if you want to change it, just click on that certain wall, hold down Control, and use your scroll wheel going up or down. It will change how the wall looks. Now it only has a set amount of looks it can give you, so you just gotta find one you're comfortable with and then just work with it. So we're gonna have our wall right there, over here, and then so right now we have two of our walls here with edit walls. So you can see it right now as set to like the wall is a bit bigger, but you can right click, split the wall, and you can have it to where it be two individual ones. So we're gonna merge the wall piece. So when the walls are together, like up to this much, you cannot merge these two together. Yeah. And for the options of create door, it'll create a door space there, and it will just give you different templates of the door for this kind of building. Also, you can split the wall piece as I showed before. Flip wall, meaning that if the design for the wall right now, it looks like it's set for an outside, you can flip it to where you can have it this one on the other side. Basically, what it says, flip wall. So now we are gonna go back to editing our wall. Actually, go here. So when you want to make a corner, you start just dragging it downwards like that. So then we're gonna drag it across here. Go over here and drag it across. Oops. So gotta go up one more. So right now, as the main look, it looked like I went over. Simple fix. Grab this, highlight this bit right here, or click on this bit while in the wall editor, and then drag it over and it'll connect it right there. As you see right now, my building's kind of in and out in certain places. So like I said before, click on that spot, and then for corners, you can just go through the scroll wheel, find the corner you're comfortable with. So we'll work with that one. This is weird. Not looking at it. Oh, because they turned it into a corner. Yep. Okay, there you go. So, me kind of just scroll through, give the building a nice look. So you see, I want these wooden panels to be facing outwards. So just right click, flip wall, and voila, it's pointing outside now. Click, flip wall, there you go. And then we don't want this corner want that corner. Actually, do we have a window? Is there one with a window? Yep, right there. So, and here, I guess this building. Okay, that's where. So we gotta flip this wall piece. So yeah, so now it's stuff facing outside. And flip wall piece. Yep. Go. And just trying to give it a nice look. There you go. So you can see right here, our basic building. And now we gotta add the floor. So what we would do is go under Material Resource ID on the sidebar right here. So click over here, and in the middle bit right here, click on that one. So I'm gonna restart this bit right here. So this is your resource manager, and you go to this little blue circle right here, right click, it will only show off all the materials you have. And if you open your resource manager and there's nothing showing up, just click on assets right here or shared, one of these two, and it'll actually show you all the stuff you have in those folders, which will show all of these things. So right click right here, we're gonna search up wood floor. So we are gonna use we're gonna use this one. So just click on it once, make sure you have it highlighted in blue like I do right here. Click on Material Resource ID and then click on arrow and it'll place it there. Oh, you forgot to apply it to floor. There you go. Now so you click on apply to floor. Now click on 0.1 to raise the height. Now inset, so make sure you select on floor, Material Resource ID, floor layer height. So you see it was clipping the ground before. So you just raise it a bit up and then you will have, what's it called? You would then have the floor just a bit above the ground so it won't be like clipping through. And floor layer inset is just how wide the floor would be. So there are times where your wall can look like, what's it called? Like this one. So you see the floor will not cover it. There's no way of fixing that as far as I know. So if you want to have like this kind of building, just so you know, if you extend the floor outwards, it's gonna start covering up this area. So it'll cover up this area as well if you set the link to it, but this part right here will have show the floor, including this part. So if you're willing to work with it, that's fine. So click on arrow right here, and now we are going to create the roof. So hold shift and then drag it up. I'll create a copy of it. So we're going to drag it a bit up over it. Yeah, so right here, and then we're going to change the root template. I'm going to type in roof, look for a wooden house roof. We're going to look at this one. So yeah, so as you're going to see, it's all kind of mumbled, like spread on that stuff. Now we are going to start editing the roof. So it looks like a weird puzzle right now. So go back to wall editor, click on the corner roof, hold left control, and start scrolling through what kind of roof you want it to be. So as you can see right now, this bit right here, some pieces that look flipped. Simple, like how we did the wall. Right click, flip wall, snap right into place. Flip wall, flip wall, flip wall. And we don't need to flip this wall. Yeah, we don't. So we're just gonna scroll through, see which roofs we like. Yep. There you go. Yeah, so this is our roof right here. And now you can, as you can tell, that there's a big giant gaping hole up top. To fix that, we are gonna go to Resource D. Now you would think putting a set on the roof, no, you would not be doing that. Okay, actually there's one thing I did miss though for the bottom floor. So click on house, click on select the bottom piece. Now for this floor right here, make sure to set it as walkable. So when you build the AI pathing, people can actually walk there. So click on this top piece right here. She already has this floor bit, so click on floor. Go here. Right, not floor. Roof. And go back to your resource manager. Go to roof. This is the wooden tiles we used last time. Oh, forgot about, yeah. So just highlight right there. Put the mouse right there. Click the arrow. And now you have it set to there, but of course it's right now too low. So go to floor, layering set. The reason I'm using the floor one is because for some reason when you set to roof, oh no, I have it set to roof, so yeah, I'm fine, never mind. What am I talking about? Okay, height right now, set it to here. Okay, so I changed the material resource. Okay, maybe it's set to 4 height. Alright, so we're gonna go floor layer height. Yeah, so it's raising down their floor for some reason, which is fine. And then you just keep bringing it up until it's at the right height for you. 4, try 5. So right now you can see it's kind of clipping through because it's just getting higher, higher, higher. Okay, so let's try 8. Oh, nope, a bit too high. So 7.9, 0.5. Alright, so it's like barely above the roof right now. Okay, let's try 4. Oops, 0.4. Yeah, this 7.45. Yeah, there you go. So right now you see like the roof is kind of like big, the top part or hole we're trying to cover. So that is just the inset. So you can set to like 1. So still, see, slowly shrinking. Go to 3, a bit more. We'll try 0.5, and a bit more. So we'll try 3.75, and still a bit more. So 3.8. Nope. We're gonna go 4. 4 looks pretty good. Yeah, 4 looks good. So yeah, this is your building right here. Now one thing I did want to do last, and that was the door. So the reason why I'm doing the door last for the first floor is because if you add in a door to a building, like for the second panel, so we'll go over here, click on this middle bit, right click, you can say create door. If you do create door and you make a copy and bring it up, and you switch the top half into a root, you switch the root template for the roof, it won't, this piece right here, for the, if, for example, if I put a door here, made a copy, drag it up, and yeah, I put the door here, made a copy of the first floor, drag it up, change the root template to the roof, this piece won't be there because it's not registering as a wall, it's registering as a door, and of course there's no door like to a second floor roof or like other roof. So that's the reason why we're doing the door last. So we'll right click right here, create door, and right now it is inverted, which is fine. You can't flip the wall piece. Yeah, here's a tutorial of a very basic creating a simple building in the Divinity 2 engine. So you can see right here everything. Well, one thing actually we're gonna do first, we're gonna save, and we're gonna go on AI. So click AI right here under paint, go click on AI, and you can see all the pathing. Now we create, click on full generate. So wait for the whole thing to load. So what this do is creating like the paths of where people can walk. So you can see right here that we can walk through, but it's gonna be a bit of a tight fit. But yeah, over here showing where the player can walk and cannot walk. So see right here, player can walk in if they wanted to, that off, close out, save that, and that is it. Thank you very much for watching.